Bandits don't go kidnap some student inside Bethel Baptist School. They say this will happen inside Chikun local government for Kaduna State. Kaduna again. This one they even surprise me. Say that these people go there, they shoot inside air before they go say they don't pack all these students, kidnap them again. This one na even another school. No be say na the old school they always rant about. This one self na another one. If like say Kaduna people kata dey inside na ear, na no dey hear word. Why we go dey complain say make students sit down for house, no dey go school again. Or na still get mind, gather moral. Carry on a student, on a pikin say make they go school. Now they don't come kidnap them, na come outside they shout. Why not know say for this Kaduna state, kidnapping now be the main target, and not be even the kidnapping. Schools now they always target. If like say they come the reason say na only Muslim school, this one na inside private school. Christian school, they think say na there Jesus dey. Jesus is the way, now be this school. They don't feel say as be say they pray well for this, they don't fit kidnap them. As we hear now, they don't carry them. They even kill some 2 students. Even the security say they try attack, they don't. In fact, my people, make now follow me watch.
It's only the students that were taken away. None of the staff is among them. So for me to meet the house master, who's in charge of them here, he too was able to escape with his own family. He managed to send his wife there on the other wall there and cross to call for rescue. And that thing happened, as you were saying, is about 15 minutes after 1. That was then. And the whole operation starts in 15 minutes time to his own due, not knowing that they have placed all over.
According to eyewitness reports, the attackers stormed the school early Monday morning and began shooting to cause panic before abducting the students. 4 were lucky to escape, but it's not clear how many were taken away.
Here people, they drag, they do. I just wake up, I say who I thought that my student won't see me. So as they say, hey, open that door, if not I will shoot you. Then I tell them, say, me I know where, the hand know where. So I say I cannot open the door, so he forced the door and pushed the door open. He said, bring all your answers and money. We say, see the money when we have. We go open our box, remove the money when they pay us the day before yesterday, then we give them. They say, okay, nothing, no any money again. I say, no money, we are 2. So they said, oh, let's go. I say, oh God, see my leg, I know where. Wait, come on, let's go. So I begin to follow them. As we reached there, they said I should come back. Then they carry my second go.
Security operatives not far from the school attempted to repel the attack. 2 of them lost their lives in the process.
All this crying, when are they cry? I'm not sure say if he solve anything. Now I supposed stand up, I don't know when I won't go protest to. Biana Buhari, Biana na go. I don't know as na want to work. Make na go meetings. They kidnapping. You know the blessing. No, they even prepare na for body. Because if they really prepare on I know see as person go carry him picking say among the whole boarding school where they inside Nigeria. The whole boarding school, the whole schools. Now inside Kaduna. Now you can't carry your picking, travel all the way. When you say a road trip, carry as you go stay Kaduna, they go school. I bet what's the way even teach them? The school where they Lagos, the two where they teach, you don't feel enter in brain, I be waiting at the thing. School where be say I don't even feel differentiate from gate. I don't even know where the entrance of the school. Now where people break, the thief, I been at the kidnappers break, now everybody turn to entrance. I can't surprise, maybe not even the re-entrance of the school, now be this. They just find one way, they set up all this kind of thing. Recently on a rally police they march up and down. Now wahala don't still boss. All these police wey na bring us still nothing wey they fit do. Nothing wey they still they do about this whole thing. It can't be like the government no they even put mouth for this their matter. And even over put mouth because now governors so don't talk say this thing a business for them, these bandits people. See I last they go return them. I think say now when I still talk say bandits they know they kill. How come they don't go kill 2 children now? Even kill security people. So one can talk say that in this ones now they no be bandits. Better than this ones they be thief, I be there be another thing. What the government they do about this whole thing? Because the kidnapping for this Kaduna, it don't too much. My own advice now, make every pikin, in fact, mama, papa, everybody, no more going out, making a start new lockdown. Sit down for an house because the school self last you go call one aboki pikin say speaking, you no go still hear the English way. So make it sit down for a house. Do home school for them. If you know say no fit do them, make the pikin in the house they play. Make they close down all the schools. Because the blessing are only schools that they target. And if they run this business finish, they go collect their money. Some of them say they no go even release these children. So what it can be the essence? I beg, why even this Kaduna? Now only Kaduna be the northern state where they inside Nigeria. On a sure say something no even dey this Kaduna. If like say they don't plant one kind evil seed. Plant for just this 2021 wahala must burst for their own side. Because the kind of reason I say only them wahala. And as on a plenty rich, and another reason I say make everybody for this north, for this cat, make na come outside. Go complain about this whole matter. Maybe the thing will stop. I can't gather say some women they go sit down for the Kaduna Kacha Expressway. They block road, say they protest. Make na no do fast stand up. Make bandits come meet on for that place where na sit down. Na I go clear. And I go know say bandit they all themselves they get information. As na they get, na so themselves they get. I beg governor of Kaduna State find something to do about this whole matter. Because upon all the arrest, I think say they talk say na this Nnamdi Kanu na dey cause wahala. They don't arrest am still. They still dey kidnap. On herself no surprise say upon all the arrest where DSS they do. Still wahala still dey pause. It's supposed to show say na another thing they cause the wahala. So make they find their way out, go sort out this whole matter. Make they find the necessary things where they happen inside that Kaduna State. Make they solve them. Because this thing now, it don't they get out of hand. My people, I hear this one. I want to make a bring a rich na side. Make na service na ear. Hear what's in they happen. Make na don't forget to comment, like, and also share this video. I'll see you guys in the next video.